Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you my new iPad Pro. This is going to be an upgrade from the 10.5-inch iPad Pro that I've had for a few years. And on the left is the old iPad Pro, and on the right is the new iPad Pro. This one is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro 5th generation. And here you can see a difference between the two models. The one on the left had a home button and a larger bezel. The one on the right has no home button and a thinner bezel. And it gives you more workable screen when you measure it diagonally. So now once it says hello on my screen, I swipe it up and choose my language. Now it's time to adjust the appearance. You can choose small, default, medium, or large. And as you pick each size, it'll show you a little preview on the screen. And once you pick how you want your icons to look, click continue. I went with default. Now it says you can quickly set up your iPad. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near your new iPad to sign into your Apple account and get set up. So it says it's looking for a nearby device, and I have my old iPad right underneath. So it was taking a little bit longer than I expected, so I clicked on Setup Later and connected this new iPad to my Wi-Fi network. Now you set up data and privacy, including the age of the individual that's going to be using it, as well as a passcode if you want to use one. And it's asking how you want to transfer your apps and data. Get your existing apps and information like photos, notes, and reminders onto your new device. You can choose from iCloud Backup, from another iPad, from Mac or PC, from Android, or don't transfer anything. I chose from another iPad, and it took me to the quickly set up iPad screen. It'll try and search for that device. So now we're in our old iPad, and it says set up new iPad. Use your Apple ID to set up your new iPad for yourself or a child in your family. And then you'll hit continue. And now the screen says waiting for other iPad. Position this image in the frame of your other iPad. And then you continue in the new iPad. Just keep old iPad close during this process. You can set up Face ID now or choose later. I chose later. And now it's going to transfer the data from my old iPad to the new iPad. And I just have to keep my other iPad nearby and connect it to power until the transfer is complete. It says the estimated transfer time is 5 to 10 minutes. So just click continue, and it says setting up your account. And you just have to agree to the terms and conditions, and then it'll continue signing you in. Make this your new iPad. Here's everything set up as you had it on your other iPad, and just click continue. You can decide to update your iPad automatically, and then you set up location services and Apple Intelligence. Now you choose multitasking and windowing if you want to do full screen apps or full screen with windowed apps. So I chose full screen and windowed apps. And it says transferring data from Kristen's iPad. Keep your other iPad nearby and connect it to power until the transfer is complete. And so now it's determining how much time is remaining, and it's saying about an hour. And now we're in our final 2 minutes. And the iPad is now restarting. Once the iPad has restarted, and I swipe up, so now once I've typed in my passcode, it says restore completed. Apps and data will continue downloading in the background. And click continue. And Face ID and Apple Intelligence I will set up later. But it says welcome to iPad OS 26, and it's showing you some of the features. So now with the welcome screen, click on get started. And so here's the new iPad. The rest of the apps will download in the background. And so here's a couple of apps that I didn't really use in my other iPad, and I may use them on this new one. So here's the app that I primarily use on my iPad, Procreate. And all of my documents are there that were on my old iPad. If you press and hold your home screen, and in the upper left hand corner click on Edit, you can add widgets, customize, edit wallpaper, and edit pages. So if you click on Add Widget, it shows you all the widgets that you can add to your home screen. And when you click on Customize, you can edit the look of the icons. So now you can decide if you want default, dark, clear, or tinted. And as you click on each one, it gives you a preview of what it'll look like. And so here I am just playing around with the different colors and the tinted option. For now, I'm just choosing default, and I can either do smaller icons or slightly larger icons. I did the smaller icons. So this concludes the video on my new iPad Pro. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Remember to check the description box for any resources that may have been mentioned in the video. And as always, thanks for watching.